So I got another package in the mail. Got no idea what's in it, but we're going to find out. These are not motorcycle parts. Okay, let's see what's in here. Almost all the parts on my bikes are parts that we make that I just get from our packaging area or our production area, but sometimes I have to get parts that we don't make. So I think I know what this is. Let's take a look. Yep. This is a filler pad for when you relocate your Tour-Pak back and it leaves a little empty space there. This pad fills in that empty space. So here's the pad. Here are the instructions, installation instructions. And this is for part number 8742, which if you get our Tour-Pak relocation, it says right in the notes, if you want to fill that gap, the part number to order. And so cool. We've had a Tour-Pak relocation on all of our two-wheel bikes and tri-glides for the last almost 20 years. 18 years ago is when I started riding baggers. And Mary has always said she did not want any kind of a filler. She didn't need it. She didn't want it. But on this last trip to the Texas Hill Country, she said, I think I'd like one of those fillers. So we got one. We're going to install it. We'll see how it works. What we're going to be doing is replacing this with this. To get this off, you have to access the fastener from inside. To access the fastener from inside, you have to remove this. To remove this, you have to remove the tether that holds this up. So what I'm going to carefully do, and I've done this before, is I'm going to loosen this with this leaning against me, because what I don't want to do is have that fall open and ruin the lid. Okay. Then I have to take this out. And I can't set it aside because I have wires going to my power. So I'm just going to let it hang down here. Okay, and what I have to do is I have to put this back in so that I can not have my Tour-Pak lid fall all the way open and hit the side and break. Okay. Then if you look back here, so what we're doing is loosening this Torx, which is a different size than for the tether. And here's the screw, and here's the nut that's going to be reused to hold the new pad in. And there's the other nut right there, and here's this. So at first, when I was sort of test fitting it, I thought this was going to go in here like that, but then when I read the instructions, actually didn't read the instructions because it doesn't say in the instructions. When I looked at the pictures better, it goes like this and then folds down like that. So they do say in the instructions to clean it up back there before you put this on. You can see all the dirt that's accumulated over time. Some of that's probably from Mexico, some of it's probably from Newfoundland, Nova Scotia, Texas, Montana, who knows where all this stuff is from. I'm going to put this through here, And then we got to work that through this hole right here in the new pad. Right there. Got one in. That's a tight fit there. This is really better a two-person job. These factory screws that you're reusing are not quite long enough to do easily, for sure. Make sure this one's all the way tight. There we go. Do this one again. Okay. Now, in the instructions, they say to use this Velcro strap just to hold the wires, which I already have the wires sort of zip tied in, but I'll go ahead and put the strap around it. Put it like that. Okay. And put this around these wires here. I honestly don't know what good this does, but might as well use them. And then this folds down and folds up under, contour it to the seat. Now, instead of having that empty stuff there, you have that. We'll go ahead and close this for a second. And of course, this is not the factory. This is very special backrest she has. But now you don't see any of the wires, and it'll be a little bit more comfortable for her right there. But that is the installation of the Tour-Pak filler pad that you use when you use a Tour-Pak relocation if you want to cover up that space. If you all like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. It helps us out. And hit that notification bell so you know when another video comes out. You all ride safe out there.